perception.
Yeah, that we can't even measure.
Right. I mean, and then that's a prime example now, because we see where there's an imperfection, there's an inefficiency of one idea in philosophy is realism. Realism postulates that abstract ideas, concept, and knowledge are innate and independent of sensory perception. Empiricism now is a philosophy that opposes this by positing that abstract ideas, concepts, and knowledge are not just innate, but they are contingent on our sensory perception. So I think it's a fascinating phenomenon. Not just these subject in and of itself, but science overall methodology, how it goes about process stuff.
Yeah, I was listening to an interesting story that someone was telling, and he was talking about just being on the bus and having this thought, or maybe it was a book that he was reading, and it spurred this notion, and and this was about synthesis in argument. And he made the example of political debate. And he said, now originally, classically, debate was about synthesis, a synthesis of ideas. And so that if you have an idea and you present it and I say, no, I disagree with you, I think it should be this way, then we're going to debate that, and maybe we're going to come up with some other better idea than either of us had before. So we take the good parts about what we were saying and apply them to this new thing, like in that way that you synthesize something better. And he was talking about how very different that is from political debate today, and probably for the last century at least, where now you have debate descending into logical fallacy. Pretty much all of them that you can imagine, but mostly like these ad hominem, where you attack the person, not the idea. And so if you have two people debating and they're doing nothing but saying, no, you're an idiot, no, you're an idiot, no, you're an idiot, and everyone who agrees with you is an idiot, no, you're an idiot, same thing, then what is the synthesis of that? It's just this perpetuation of idiocy, and nothing gets accomplished. And I thought it was a very interesting way of looking at that, because it seems